Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set up a Keurig K Compact coffee machine. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my new Keurig K Compact coffee machine, and I just finished setting mine up. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. Now, I was going to show the live version of me doing this, but I really wanted to make sure that I did everything properly, so I actually set it up first, and then now I'll tell you and show you exactly what I did. The first thing was I took the machine out of the packaging, and I plugged it in, and I literally just did this about 5 minutes ago, okay? So literally, I just set it up. So I took the machine out of the box, and the styrofoam, the cardboard, whatever else was around it, and I plugged it into a wall outlet, okay? I then powered it on because I knew that it had to sort of get ready, and I removed all the tape. There was a whole bunch of tape that was holding all of the removable parts together, I guess to prevent them from falling out during shipping and stuff like that, so I removed all the tape. Then what I did was I removed the water reservoir, and I'm going to place my camera down just so I can actually use two hands to show you what I did here. So I removed the water reservoir. I used two hands. I lifted it out of place. I'm going to leave it over here for one moment, and I'll bring the camera over here. So I lifted it out of place, and I placed it in the sink. Okay, so I placed it in the sink, and I opened up the lid, and I filled it to about the max fill line, okay? So I'm going to place this down. Then what I did was I took the water reservoir, and I placed it back in position on the back right here, and it only goes one way because you can see the shape of this, it only goes in one way. So I took the water reservoir with the water and I placed it just like this. And then what happened was, for a few minutes I heard some noises, and what was essentially happening was, I believe, I can't say with certainty, but I believe that it was filling the pump with water, okay? So I heard some noises, and it was filling, and then it ended up filling the pump with water. The reason I think this is because I started off with more water, and then I heard some noises. It sounded like something was filling up, and I ended up with less water. So I believe that it took the water, some water from here, and it then filled it into the system, so it's ready to go ahead and make coffee whenever I want to. Then I heard it heating up. So basically it's ready to be used because I heard it heat up, so I know that it's ready to be used. That's literally it. At this point, I can open up the lid, I can grab a K-cup over there, put it in position over here, and I can close it, okay? So just like that. So now you can see the lights are illuminated, and you kind of heard that little, almost like a heating sound. It was then heating up, I believe, once again, making sure that the water was hot enough to make a coffee, okay? So as you can see, it's set up. If we had a K-cup in here, we could then make coffee easily. That's it. That's how to set it up. Literally, the whole process it took me maybe 5 minutes, including waiting for it to fill the water lines and the pump lines and waiting for it to heat up, okay? So it's not a very long process at all. I explained it in a matter of like 3 minutes. Really easy to set up, and I appreciate the fact that it's so simple to set up and use. I absolutely love the simplicity of this machine. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.